Mi-24 gunship helicopter NATO code name, HIND. It is a two-engine attack helicopter designed for close air support of ground forces against armored targets, and for transport of personnel. It has a classic design with a 5-bladed main rotor and a 3-bladed anti-torque tail rotor. The development of the aircraft commenced in the first half of the 1960s using a dynamical set, drive units and other components from the Mi-8 helicopter. The first prototype, with late TV2-117 engines, took off in September 1969. The characteristic feature of Mi-24 is a cockpit prolonged to a cargo compartment with a length of 2.83 meters, width of 1.46 m, and height of 1.2 m. Up to 8 paratroopers can conduct fire with small arms through openings inside windows. Vertically open double-wing doors are at each side of the fuselage. The wingspan is 6.536 meters. The wing helps the vertical motion of the main rotor by up to 30% in higher speeds, and is also a place for suspended weapons. The helicopter is equipped with a 3-wheel retractable landing gear with a double-tired front leg. The Mi-24 is driven by two TV3-117 engines with output of 1,638 kilowatts each. The Mi-24A type, NATO code HIND-A, is the first version produced in series since 1972. The Mi-24D type, NATO code HIND-D, was put in operation in 1976, and it is largely a modified Mi-24A type version. A double-seat cockpit has been completely remodeled. The seat of the gunner/pilot is in front of the seat of the pilot/commander of the helicopter. The cockpit is characterized by round bump coverings. Under the helicopter nose, there is a revolving turret with a 4-barrel rotating 9A624 machine gun of 12.7 mm caliber with a supply of 1,470 cartridges. The additional equipment is hung under 4 mountings. It is created by 4 blocks of UB-32, each with 32 pieces of S-5 missiles of 57 mm caliber, 4 air bombs of 100 or 250 kilograms, or 2 500 kilograms bombs, or the same number of napalm containers. It is possible to use also 4-fold rocket launchers for air-to-ground 122 mm rockets. At each wingtip there are mountings for 2 anti-tank guided missiles of type 9M17P of the Phalanga system. The Mi-24DU type is a training version of Mi-24D but without a nose turret. The Mi-24V type, NATO code HIND-E, is another advanced version that came from the Mi-24D type. The major change is in the use of a STRM-V device, which is the modern and more efficient navigation system, and the use of 9M114 at 6 spiral anti-tank guided missiles, which are fired from 2-cylinder containers mounted at each wingtip. The equipment of the helicopter was further reinforced with B-8V blocks for 20 rockets of S-8 type of 80 mm caliber, cannon containers UPK-23-250 with 2-barrel cannon GS-23L having a supply of 250 cartridges. Universal weapons containers GUV-9A with the mounting prepared for installation of automatic grenade launchers 9A800 of 30 mm caliber, or 1 4-barrel machine gun 9A624 of 12.7 mm caliber, and 2 4-barrel machine guns 9A622 of 7.62 mm caliber. It was equipped with the improved higher flight level characteristics of TV3-117V engines, and with a mounting for installation of outlet gas coolers, and for additional fuel tanks in capacity of 450 liters. Basic tactical technical data. High-speed cruise, 310 km per hour. Typical cruise speed, 260 km per hour. Maximum flight distance, 750 kilometers. Tactical operation range, 160 kilometers. Flight ceiling, 4,500 meters. Climbing close to surface, 750 meters per minute. Payload, 2,400 kilograms. Weight of empty helicopter, 8,400 kilograms. Maximum takeoff weight, 12,500 kilograms. Length with rotating blades, 19.79 meters. Fuselage length, 17.51 meters. Height, 6.5 meters. Diameter of the main rotor, 17.3 meters. Diameter of the tail rotor, 3.90